Hello my dears, hello from Belarus, Natalia with you. Thanks for staying on my channel, thanks for supporting me, thanks for being active and asking me different questions. Today I have a new video episode for you. The episode from my homeland, from the place where my mom was born, the place where I spent all my summers in the childhood. This is all about city Pinsk, not Minsk. Yeah, it sounds like Minsk, but the first letter P. City Pinsk, located in 330 kilometers away from Minsk to the southwest. And by the way, the city is in 26 kilometers away from Ukrainian border. So answering your questions, is it safe to come to Belarus or not? I can say that now I am in 26 kilometers away from Ukraine and it seems very peaceful. People live here their normal life. I'm gonna show you my the house of my grandparents, and now you see my aunt, the daughter of my grandparents. She lives here. Тетя, я вас снимаю. Ну, вы стоите перед домом. So my aunt, she lives in this house alone. So me and Angelina, we came here for a few days to visit her, to relax in this wonderful, peaceful area. And today we go to check out our market. Are you with me? Let's go. I'm gonna show you stomach of the city. Angelina, are you with me? Пошли. Все, мы скоро вернемся, да. Да. So guys, we came to a very center of the city and I want to show you a local shopping mall, a local market. Actually, in the days of my childhood when we were visiting this place, it was the only place all year round where you can find any clothes, and not only clothes, food as well. And now, probably we will find a kind of a uniform for Angelina here. Let's see. It's quite a big market and people not only from Minsk but from regional villages, they come to this place to buy clothes, shoes, you know, some school backpacks and so on and so forth. Prices are very reasonable here, so if you want to shop wisely you can come to this market. So for example, you can see the price, like 35 Belarusian rubles, which is less than $17. So here on this market I feel that I'm back to my childhood, and now we're gonna try on jeans for Angelina. So my friend from childhood, she is an individual entrepreneur, so she has a selling point here, small store with jeans, and I'm planning to support private business and to choose jeans for Angelina and to show you the way how we buy clothes here in such cities and how we did it long ago. For many years we didn't have any, you know, shopping malls, only such markets. What do you think, guys, about this place? What do you think about this atmosphere? Do you have such markets in your city? Drop me a message below this video. Ну что? Nice jeans? Yes. Oh, teenager. New jeans. Do you want them or not?
Yeah.
Yeah. So guys, we bought 2 pairs of new jeans and we are really happy. You know that for girls shopping, this is the best therapy. And we will continue checking out this place. What a lovely day today, 31st of August. Tomorrow autumn starts. But to be honest, I don't regret about end of summer because I love autumn. This is a special season for me. I want to show you a food place here. We're a bit late. We have some vegetables and kukuruza, corn. You see a corn here. Fruits, watermelon, carrots. А ты не хочешь кукурузы? Да, на ГМО. Я просто... You can buy some tea over here, some spices, корица. Look at these flowers. So tomorrow we're gonna celebrate the start of the studying year in Belarus. It means that all pupils will go to school with flowers to bring them to their teachers. This is quite traditional for us. And tomorrow we're gonna celebrate the Day of Knowledge in Belarus. Oh, смотри, so trendy. So guys, I cannot leave this market because there are lots of things to buy actually. I didn't plan to buy anything, but I found this, I don't know, it's a jacket or something for autumn. So what do you think? Should I buy it or not? There is no my size, but I plan to order it. So how do you like the atmosphere of our local market here in Pinsk? By the way, guys, I'm getting lots of questions about cheap flats. In which cities can I buy a cheap flat? So Pinsk is one of those cities which you can check out if you are looking for a cheap property. But this video episode I will prepare for you tomorrow. Leave your comments down below this video. Do you need this information or not? Of course, I will show you the city in my coming videos because Minsk is so cozy, so beautiful, with many tiny different houses, with beautiful river. You will see it in another video right here quite soon. Пока!